Hi, Shayla with WTI, and I want to show you the best puppy bowls out there.
These are the medium-sized puppy feeding bowls from Thankspaw, and they are so wonderful because there's a great space-saving design that they can all fit around at one time. They are made out of stainless steel, very high quality, very smooth surface so that they are easy to clean, and the food is going to distribute nice and evenly. I love that when we're serving them, I know that they're all going to have access to the same amount. You can see when as soon as they see and know that that food is coming, they just go crazy. And I love that this is giving them all the opportunity to kind of still eat together, just like they nursed with mama. But we are definitely trying to wean them and they are transitioning. So this is a great bowl to do just that. You can hear that they're just eating their little hearts out. So I love that these bowls are high quality because they're going to be bite resistant and rust resistant, which is what we definitely need with these crazy babies. And that raised center is such a great design to keep them from walking all through the food and hopefully not falling into it either.
So as you can tell, the puppies definitely love these bowls as much as we do. The shape and the design are great for feeding all of the puppies at once and really just helping wean them from mama to all the way up to solid foods. So these are a great puppy feeding bowl, and that is my point of view.